So today in this video, I'm going to take you through 3 different tools that uses the function AI background remover to see which one is best, right? So when it comes to you creating AI artwork, you always want to remove the background, right? So you can turn it into a PNG or any type of artwork for that matter of fact, right? And recently I've been finding and getting mixed results between my go-through one, which is Photoshop, and then my second best one, which is Kiddo. And then most of the time I find myself resulting into using Canva. So you go with me in this journey. Let's see which platform is going to give us the best result for our remove background function. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching in from. And question of the video here, question of the day, are you using AI artwork in your business? All right, so the first place I want to start is going to be Photoshop. I'm going to open up an image in Photoshop, and we're going to remove the background from this image and see if, like, which platform is going to give us the best result. Let's start with this one. All right, so if you're not familiar with Photoshop, Photoshop now has this AI function in here, like generative fill, and it allows you to easily remove background. So this tool right here, right, before back in the day, we'll go and use the quick selection tool, right? I can come up here, do the magic wand, and do all of those things there to remove it. But I want to use AI to do this, which is right here, this button that says remove background. I'm just going to hit that. Okay, so once I hit the remove background now, you can see it kind of removed everything from my image. That's not what I wanted, right? I still wanted everything else. Like I want the pillows. I want everything in this machine, in this image. I just don't want the white background, right? So with just a one click, it doesn't do it for us in Photoshop. Okay, I know there's other ways. We can use magic wand, we can use the selected tool, but I just wanted to use that one tool, which is to remove background. So Photoshop didn't do it for us here. Let's jump into Kiddo and see what we get. So I'm now inside of Kiddo. You can see the same exact image is now on my screen. And on the far right side, once you have your image selected, there's a button that says AI background remover. Click to remove the image's background. So I'm going to just click this. I use this a lot. It actually works a lot with all of it. This is like by far the top one that I use nowadays. So I'm just going to hit that. And the goal here is for this image, only the white background I want to remove. And you see this. Kiddo gets it right. Kiddo gets it right on the first shot for this image. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to expand this a bit, right? Make it big. You can see this image now has the background removed. All right. So for Photoshop, it get a big X. For Kiddo, we get a thumbs up, right? So now I want to jump into Canva and we'll see how Canva is going to do it. All right. So you see that, right? Photoshop gets an X, right? Kiddo gets it on point. Now, the next program that I want to walk you through now with the same exact image is going to be Canva. I want to use Canva's background remover tool and see how, like, what type of result we're going to get. All right, so here we go. We're inside of Canva. I'm going to take the same image right here, which is the same exact image, right? But right now it has a background. How do I know that? I'm going to come up here to where it says edit photo, okay? And the Magic Studio, that's the AI function there. I'm going to hit the BG remover. And the whole thing here, I don't want anything else removed but that white. So I'm just going to click that. And super fast, it actually didn't destroy the image, right? It's removed the background as far as I can see, even though it's sitting on a white background. But I'm going to save this one as a PNG and see, like, I know it actually didn't destroy anything because most of the elements are here still. Not like the Photoshop one. The Photoshop one erased all of the elements, which was not okay for us, right? Right, so this is what we got in Photoshop. All of the elements are destroyed. It looks a little messy. Just a poor puppy sitting over there all by itself. And it's not usable, not for what I want to use it for, right? But you can see in Canva, and Kiddo was able to get it right. So I'm going to save that one out in Canva. I'm going to save that out as a PNG. So I'm just going to hit the share here. We're going to download this as a PNG with transparent background, and I'm going to hit download. Okay. So while he's doing that, I'm going to open up another image. Let's do this one more time with a whole nother image. Okay. So now let's jump back in Photoshop again, and we'll try a new image here. Okay. So we're back in Photoshop. We're going to open up another image. I'm going to close this one out. This one was a failure. We'll close that out. I'm going to come up here and open another one, and we'll run the same exact test again. Before that, this is the one that I saved in Canva. This was the Canva image right here that's saved. You can see it's totally transparent, right? It has the transparent background here. That's the one that I saved out in Canva. So Canva gets it right, but the other Photoshop didn't. So now I'm going to come back in here again. Let's open up. Let's just go ahead and get this one. Doesn't matter. Let's go for this, right? So again, here goes the image, right? Totally AI generated. And we're going to try this one more time. Just going to hit the remove here. Jeez, Photoshop destroyed it again, right? Like, why is this happening? I don't get it. I don't understand why Photoshop is just destroying all of the images, right? Like, before it used to be good. I used to be able to just say remove background or even the quick selection tool, and it takes care of it. But now you hit that button one time and it destroys the image. Like, look at that. What is that, right? So is Photoshop still your #1 tool? Let me know in the comments, right? Are you still taking Photoshop over everything else? So Photoshop is a subscription, and what's it called? Kiddo is a subscription, and Canva is a subscription, but Photoshop is not giving me what I'm paying for right now as far as that remove tool. So that didn't work. So this is the one that we did in Photoshop. And I'm going to come back again, remove background. I just don't want any elements destroyed. And just like that, there is no elements that are destroyed here. All of the elements are safe, right? We're going to make this much bigger. And I'm going to save this as a PNG. And I'm going to give Photoshop another try, or Kiddo another try. All right, so we're back in Kiddo because I believe I used the wrong image here. This is the image that we did that we're going with in Photoshop. So I'm going to hit this remove BG one more time. There it is. So Kiddo did it right. Kiddo did it right. Kiddo nailed it. Canva nailed it. Photoshop bombed it, right? So you can see, there it is. You let me know what you think. What do you think in the comments? Is this your workflow? Is this something that you do? And so, yeah, Kiddo is on point here. I'm going to download this. I like to use Kiddo because I'm able to download my images as a high quality 300 DPI image. That's my experiment right there to see between Canva, between Photoshop and Kiddo, which programs AI background remover works good. You let me know in the comments which one do you think, right? But from what we've seen in this video, Photoshop totally bombed it. Like they destroy all of the images. Kiddo was on point, and so was Canva, right? So you let me know, what tool are you using to remove background, and are you using AI images? And if you want to learn how to use AI to generate images like that and make a business out of it, my AI for digital income course is down below in the description. Go ahead and enroll, and that's going to help you create the image. It's going to teach you how to build your own store and sell those images as well. All right. Until next time, share this video with someone else, and I'll see y'all later. Photoshop really did bomb it though. Like, damn.